Hello. Where's your elephant? Where's your elephant? Where is it? Where is he? Where is he? Where's the elephant? Yeah, where's the elephant? Hi, Mama. Yeah, got your feet. You got your feet. Whoop. Mommy doesn't know which way this goes. There we go. Say hi, Mommy. Hi, Mommy. Can you talk to me? Can you talk? Can you talk? Yeah? Yeah? Yeah. Where are you? Your grandma's house? Are you at grandma's house? Yeah. Yeah. Ha. Say ha. Oh. Yeah. I wish I could get those 2 feet.
Likes to land
I
at
want
that.
to get those feet. Yeah. Show me your feet. Where's your feet? There they are. There's your feet. Yeah. Woo! You gotta grab them. You gotta grab them. Yeah. Let's move this guy for a second. Oh, where'd he go? Where did he go? Oh, do. Who's this? Who's this? Yeah, where'd he go?